Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir, for giving me an opportunity to participate in the discussion of the mineral laws bill replacing the ordinance. First of all, there was no necessity to promulgate the ordinance since there was no urgency for this legislation. As the Minister's statement, the object and reasons of the bill says, the bill is to privatize the coal mining sector and handing over the precious coal resources to the multinational companies and big giants in the name of liberalization of the coal mines. I do not know what is the motive or intention behind bringing this bill and from whom the government is getting pressure to bring this legislative bill. As per the minister's statement, the country imported 235 million tons of coal worth of rupees 1.75 lakhs crore last year, and out of this 100 million tons was non-substitutable coking coal. Already many thermal power plants are being closed in phases, and there is a ban on starting a new thermal power plant because the environment pollution. For example, BHEL has the capacity of 1 lakh megawatt thermal power plant production, but it has been restricted to 1000 megawatt only. There is no work in BHEL power plant also, and the workers are being in the fear of the retrenchment. The bill envisages removal of restriction to end use of coal, and it becomes a commercial marketable commodity. Coal India Limited is having a workforce
Nothing other than the member who is speaking will go on record.
of 3 lakhs labor, and it is an asset to the country. A tremendous amount has been invested over a year of the Coal India Limited, and it has been Maharatna PSU. When you have such an efficient and time-tested public sector undertaking, the government should not invite multinational companies
I am different.
for coal blocks allotment.
Come on. Yeah, how many times you will ask quorum? You asked earlier. No.
Coal India
Please allow the member to speak,
Limited
then you can raise
should
it.
be given maximum coal block allotment so that the workers are fully engaged in coal production and productivity. It is a responsibility of the government to ensure that the interest of Coal India is not compromised, and it should not go to the way of BSNL and MTNL have gone when you open these private operators. By opening up the coal sector to the private players, especially multinational and giant companies, they should not resort to over-exploitation of the coal resources, leading to adverse environmental impact in the coal mining areas. Private players will always exploit the labor, and the government will be mute spectator. With the help of new reforms which the government intends to bring, the private players will exploit the workers like anything. It may lead the unsafe mining, and safety will be given a go by. The government should not forget the mines disaster like Chasanala disaster, Dhanbad coal mine disaster, Meghalaya mining accident in 2018. Labor welfare in coal mining industry plays a important part in the establishing good industry relation. Working conditions of the coal miners are important to bearing the health, efficiency, and the turnover rate of workers. Sanitary conditions of coal mines are not satisfactory. Lack of adequate ventilation in the workforce. Since the bill aims to privatize the coal mining sector
Thank you,
and
Mr.
heavily
Shanmugam.
weighted the multinational exploitation precious coal resources, we are not supporting the bill.
Yeah, thank you. Mr. Binay Vishwam.